We always sit together with the customer and then ask him, what should the part do, what should the functionality be? And then we look where this precision and the functionality needs to be in which areas, and then we try to isolate the areas that are not important. So if you need to bridge certain distances and certain parts, you might as well make them out of different materials. Our customer base is very broad. It can go from electronics, where we have names like Philips, for instance. It can go then over automotive, where we work for brands such as BMW and Mini. It can go into the medical field. So this is a real production part that is used in a high-end X-ray development machine in laboratories. But the markets we are targeting, it's always high precision, high-end, high finishing, high accuracy. So we use these parts. They were developed for the VDL company, where they produced the Mini and the BMW X1. But some customers get to know our materials, get to know our service, get to know our solutions. And in an early stage of a development or even tooling that has been made already 2 to 3 times, the customer knows exactly what he wants. And then the 3YOURMIND's solution comes in quite brilliantly, because the customer is able to reorder projects that he has been doing in the past, or just shoot through parts that he wants to have. So that makes it for us a lot easier, because we don't need to read through 55 emails. The customer orders what he wants and he knows directly what he's going to get. From a customer side is also an advantage. It's an easier workflow for them, and it's also what they want. It reduces the lead times dramatically, and that's why we choose for a stable and a good platform with a good visual interface, which 3YOURMIND offers. This machine is an EnvisionTEC machine using DLP technology. DLP stands for Digital Light Projection. This is a machine that uses liquids as a printing device or a printing medium, just as an SLA machine. The only difference is an SLA machine is using a laser, and this one is using a projector. Because we create part of the market ourselves. We're more than just a printing service provider, we're a solution provider, and that's what the market is looking for. So here we do all the finishing of the printed and milled parts. We can mount inserts so it becomes a fully functional part. And this side of the area, we have our finishing area where Philip is removing the supports of the DLP and SLA printed parts. We're looking for applications where additive manufacturing can add value, where we as a company can make the difference. 3D printing should always be the center of everything we think about in the market, because it's a good industrial application and it can bring prices down.